Hey, I'm Aaron Fish, and this is Fish Food, where we make tasty, approachable snacks. And today, we're making deviled eggs with Bob Marley blend, One Love. All right, so first thing you want to do is you want to get some hard-boiled eggs. So whether you go to the store and you buy some pre-boiled eggs, or you hard-boil your own and shell them, halve them, and get the yolks out. I've already done that. So I got my yolks here. We're gonna go ahead with a little bit of mayo. We're just gonna start with a little bit to start. And the idea is we want to get these nice and mashed up into a creaminess. And now for the Bob Marley One Love. All right, so we're ready to plate our deviled eggs. Now, I've soaked my whites in some water. 2 reasons for this. 1, keeps them nice and fresh. 2, if there's any egg residue on there from when you were having them and scooping them out, nice and clean. I'm just gonna go all in. You get those notes like the cinnamon from the One Love. Obviously the yolk is creamy. Fresh pop from the pomegranate seed. And then you got that pomegranate chili that kind of ties that together with the candied ginger and the cornflake and the herbs, just everything tying into this beautiful, texturally balanced dish. And that is some delicious fish food.